Minasan, konnichiwa, Josho Oka desu. Welcome to Season 3 of Japan Society's Tea Time video series. We're doing things a little bit differently this time because of where we were 10 years ago, as we remember the Great East earthquake, tsunami, and nuclear disaster that struck Japan 10 years ago on March 11, 2011. All of us who've been friends of Japan, and certainly Japanese, know exactly where they were at 2:46 p.m. on that Friday, March 11th. None of us can ever forget. It's not just the tragedy of that moment or the stoic nature of the response. It's also resiliency, the hope and the friendship that came alive in that moment and continues to live on in all of us in the U.S.-Japan community. So today and through this series, we're going to be honoring that moment through our guests, Americans and Japanese, who recall the events of March 11th, sharing how they responded and what they learned from on-the-ground emergency responses from Japan and the United States to reconstruction efforts, community empowerment, and support from the Japanese community right here in New York City. The day after March 11th, Japan Society established the Japan Earthquake Relief Fund, which received donations from more than $14 million from over 24,600 individuals just like you across the United States and over 55 countries around the world. Initially, those donations went toward immediate relief and reconstruction efforts and later supported projects assisting Tohoku's mid to long-term recovery in Japan.
I would like to reiterate very much thank you for the donors who contributed very generously toward helping Japanese people. Altogether, in 60 projects. All these projects, I'm very pleased to report to you that were very much successfully implemented. I would like to thank you again for your very generous donations to Japanese people.
2021 is a year to reflect on resiliency and recovery as we navigate the challenges of COVID and build hope for the future. I hope these tea time conversations remind us all of the strength and the way in which friendship was manifested in the Tomodachi initiatives and the other projects we talk about together in U.S.-Japan relations, and the goodwill that came together in the aftermath of March 11th, as well as reflecting on crisis management, leadership opportunities, and lessons learned to deal with our current challenges. Through this series, we honor everyone who supported Tohoku's recovery, including the donors to our relief fund. We hope you will join us in honoring them as well. Arigatou gozaimashita.